Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys iPhone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys iPhone guys system navigation full setting, how to set up system navigation on iMobile. Friends, we want to use gesture settings. Friends, we want to use your button navigation setting. Friends, both of setting. Friends, in this video I will show you one by one, step by step. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video, open your iPhone setting friends. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your iMobile. Friends, click on iMobile phone system setting guys. So a second last option friends, system setting, click here. Friends, click on system navigation friends, click here. Friends, you can see three button navigation setting, gesture navigation setting. So friends, first we will talk about gesture setting, then friends we will talk about button navigation. Friends, click on gesture settings guys. After 5 seconds your button navigation will remove on your screen and friends you cannot use. Friends, now you can use gesture settings on your iMobile. So friends, you want to back. So friends, how to back? Friends, right side swipe you can back, left side friends you can back. Friends, you can use your screen with right and left side back button. And friends, you want to close your recent app, so you can close it. Example friends, you own Chrome app, you can close it. Camera, close. Phone calls, close. Messages, close. And friends, you want to permanently close, click here. One by one you can close it. So like that friends, you can use your gesture setting. Friends, you can see button navigation will not show on our screen. We cannot use three button navigation on iMobile. Right side and friends left side you can use your back button. And friends, now you don't want to use your gesture setting. Friends, you want to remove gesture settings on your iMobile. So friends, click on again phone setting, and friends again click on iMobile system setting. Friends, click here system setting. Friends, click on navigation setting, three button navigation. Friends, click here, and friends you can use your three button navigation. Friends, you can see we can use back button, home button, close app button, we can use it. So friends, your three button navigation will show on your screen, and friends gesture settings will remove, and friends right side and friends left side you cannot use iPhone gesture settings. And friends, you want to change your three button layout style. So friends, click on navigation setting. Friends, you can see back button is right side, you want to change into left side, so you can change, and friends you can back from your left side. And friends, you want to change this icon style, you can change from here friends. So friends, I will use this style and right side. So like that friends, we can use system navigation setting, we can set up system navigation on iMobile. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video guys.